Welcome back everyone. Today we learn about genes and alleles. Let's cover some important terminologies. Firstly, a gene. A gene is a sequence of nucleotides that is part or length of DNA or part of chromosome or on a chromosome. It is a unit of inheritance and it codes for a protein or polypeptide or enzyme or controls a characteristics. An allele is an alternative forms of a gene that occupies the same loci on a pair of homologous chromosome. Let's look at this diagram here. The gene for eye color is at this position, however there are two alleles for eye color represented by the colors blue and brown. The location of the gene in the chromosome is referred to as the gene locus. From this diagram we can see various colored regions which represent the various gene loci on a chromosome. The phenotype is an observable characteristics of an organism. The genotype is the genetic makeup of an individual organism that is formed by the alleles of the organism. For alleles, it is classified into two categories, the dominant and recessive allele. Dominant means that the allele expresses itself in both homozygous and heterozygous condition. Recessive means that the allele expresses itself only in homozygous condition. This is because in heterozygous condition it is masked by the dominant allele. What exactly is homozygous and heterozygous? Homozygous means two identical alleles are found at the corresponding loci. Heterozygous means two different alleles are found at the corresponding loci. Let's look at this example to better explain dominant, recessive, heterozygous, and homozygous. Let the dominant allele be red fur be represented with capital letter R. Let the recessive allele be white fur be represented with lowercase letter r. In the heterozygous condition represented by capital R and lowercase r, the phenotype of this organism is red fur. In the homozygous dominant condition represented by both capital R, the phenotype of this organism is red fur. In the homozygous recessive condition represented by both lowercase r, the phenotype of this organism is white fur. That's all for today. Thank you for the effort to learn with me. Stay tuned for more interesting lessons. See you next time. Bye bye.